Oh my god. Hi, today I'm trying Glaze. So Glaze is a tinted gloss treatment and I actually haven't seen anyone try the red colour yet. Believe me, I have searched YouTube. First things first, it's really important for me to make this clear that Glaze have offered to sponsor this video. However, because I've not tried it yet, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, if it's any good. The point of these I try videos is that it's my first time trying it, to get the most genuine and authentic reaction and review. If I don't have many good things to say about it, this sponsor will not be going ahead. With that being said, these have been sent to me. I have the red colour and I have a clear. I'm going to try out the red one today. This was the packaging. I like that it didn't include any plastic in the packaging. The tubs themselves are plastic, however they do say that they're recyclable. It does not come with gloves, so I've got what I could find from the kitchen. I'm gonna swap t-shirts. This is what my hair looks like before. I washed it yesterday and let it completely air dry. So this is my natural hair texture. And this is what it looks like once it's been brushed. So slightly different here. My hair was dyed copper. It's obviously faded a lot, but it's still kind of a ginger color. And I do have dark blonde roots coming through. And I do still have some slight blonde highlights at the front. I don't know if this is going to tint those as well. It says that it'll be slightly easier to disperse on damp hair. Okay, so I've dampened my hair and I've sectioned it up. I'm going to start on the bottom layer first. On the back of the tub, it has a little peel here. That's where you find the instructions. It seems pretty simple. You just put it on, leave it for 10 minutes, then rinse it out. You don't have to shampoo or anything. The only thing it does say is it doesn't cover greys. So I don't think it's going to cover my roots, but I just want to see what it does anyway. Let's go. Wow. Okay, it looks like chocolate sauce. So I guess you just kind of put it on. I have watched a few videos on people doing this and they just kind of put it on. Seemed to saturate into my hair pretty quick. I can tell this is going to be a little bit messy. Wow, already like the colour looks really vibrant. I'm also just combing it through to make sure I'm being thorough. Okay, so whilst I'm applying this in my hair, what is Glaze? Glaze is a super colour conditioning gloss, which means it's like a tinted moisturiser and glossing treatment for your hair. It's not a dye, so it won't cover greys. Supposedly it will last up to 10 washes. It comes in 9 different shades and it's $12.99 per bottle, which is about the same price as a single-use box dye, but for long hair, 1 bottle of Glaze should last you around 2 to 3 applications. So if after watching this you want to try it for yourself, do make use of this 20% discount code Isabella20. You can currently buy it from Superdrug or glazehair.co. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It's free of ammonia, peroxides, silicones, sulfates and parabens. Their packaging is 100% recyclable and it says here they carbon offset everything else. So sounds pretty good. I'm excited to see if it works. I'm now just going to focus it into my roots. Wow, it looks super red. Jeez, man. I'm now going to like slightly just comb through my roots. It's actually a lot more red than I thought it would be. I will need to clean up around my face, but oh well. A lot of colour coming out. You can see in the next clip that I have left some on my wrist and around my face. It did wash off very easily with no problem after filming this video, but please make sure to wash it off straight away after tinting your hair. Oh wow, okay. Oh my god, okay, so definitely vibrant. Let's get my hair dry and see how it looks. But so far, this looks pretty good. Oh my god. Oh my god, stop it. This is not what I was expecting at all. I've got to be honest, this is like literally almost the colour that it was when I first got it dyed copper. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know that I've tried various box dyes both on my hair and on some extensions, and none of them managed to get me this colour. So that in itself for the colour is impressive. How long it will last, we'll have to find out. Obviously, I had quite bad roots. It hasn't covered them completely, but it's blended them in a little bit better. I didn't expect it to cover my roots anyway. I do need to go get my roots done and my hair completely redone, but for like a revamp, like holy moly, that is totally revamped my color. Like what the heck? I'm going to show you also from the back. I've just blow dried my hair straight, so this is styled hair as opposed to the before where my hair was unstyled. So obviously styling your hair does make it look nicer, but I'm not using any kind of artificial light or anything. This is natural light. This is what it looks like. I will say it's completely covered my highlights, so if you have red hair and highlights, you might not want to tint your highlights as well. I don't know, maybe as the tint wears off, like my highlights will come back through. It's not such a big deal for me because I was gonna get them redone like all over my head. I feel like Rose Dawson all over again. So here I am in the living room. This is what it looks like with a little bit more daylight. You can see the color is like crazy vibrant. Yeah. I don't really have the kind of hair type that gives off a lot of shine, so it's quite hard to make my hair look really shiny. I can't quite tell if it's shinier. I guess you'll have to tell me on that one. A lot of the time when you see that kind of high shine, it's from heat tools and artificial light. I've gone really gentle with my heat styling today, so otherwise it may have been slightly shinier. This is sick. I feel like I've just been to the hairdresser and got it re-dyed. Like, this is madness. Considering I really just kind of put this on quite roughly, it was so quick, quicker than like actually dyeing my own hair. It is the next day. I've done some heatless curls. So that was Glaze. I'm gonna have to see within the next couple of weeks how the color holds up. So keep an eye on my videos for the coming weeks and I guess you will see. If you do want to try it for yourself, remember to make use of my code. You can get 20% off with Isabella20. If you wanna see more from me, remember I have a Patreon where I post exclusive videos, vlogs. I even post some of my old videos that are no longer up on my channel. So go check that out if you want to see what's on there. I have an Instagram too, so follow me on there as well. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!